You want to know how to enable or disable crossplay in Paladins. So enabling or disabling crossplay simply makes you choose if you want to play with other devices or if you want to play against the players that has other devices. So let's get straight to it. So first things first, simply open up your Paladins game, and once you've opened it up, you should be provided with this interface right here. So now once you're onto this interface, make sure on the leftmost side you should be seeing play. Just simply select it. Now once you have selected play, here you should be seeing various options. So if you're a newcomer, you should be able to choose servers. So we have also created a video on how to choose servers, so make sure to watch it. So once you have done that, you can just simply see this key icon right here, and on the bottom left side right below reason you should be seeing crossplay. So you can just simply enable or disable it just like this right here. The gray means disabled and the blue means it's enabled, and that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.